What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Kamci benta ka swatch sewa arhaja arpausan campaign hapok ka swatch Bharat Mission 2.0 depan man ya ke exhibition hajrong kapang best out of waste hak arpon rutri uni banai ha chutwakhu indoor hall Jowai da ka Jowai municipal board dewa wan wo chimbenta da ki skur na kaling ke chnong Jowai ki wa depan yo ya ki buj wa bon jai ye wa kam wo pynlang ye jhep kam ju wo le recycling. Hagani gaya lang dawan wo embenta da Wyrta miki shela Menteri Kechnat Health and Family Welfare wo da pai dasli le ya ka exhibition we ya kalam le bagi khanna skur. Wyrta miki have ye kalam da yaro ya ka DV lengdo CEO ka Jowai Municipal Board wagi bro ko wo pan kaladur ya ka municipal de wo pan kan mo wa house nem arhajar khatpra ka municipal board damat ko ye iwo bon hado wa hab wo senge ye lai pelang jhep tang wa de wa kre chitom ki wa kre wat hyper ka klam covid ka khandele de ye ki wo pten ye lai pelang jhem do ong wa jhep man ko ikit khle yong waro ki wa chong chnong we ki khanna skur man ki kam ki te ki wo ya khamat yo wanra ye khu ijnger hagani ka singi da samle ya ka song poisa chakiwa job haka exhibition heiwa ka HK Singh Memorial Secondary School Jowai de yo nong Congo de yo ya ka song poisa wali lehbha tangka ka khimusniang Presbyterian Secondary School de yo wa argo de yo ya ka song poisa lehbha kadwa ka Government Girls High Secondary School Jowai de yo wali go de yo ya ka song poisa wa lehbha tangka Nakiskur wan ki wachim khia wo panman ya ki sodong sokun ka wakhoj ka Saint Mary Magzerelo Girls High Secondary School Jowai de yo nong Congo de yo ya ka song poisa ka wanyau tangka ka Not Liberty High Secondary School Jowai de yo wa argo de yo san tangka kat wa hevele de yo ka pepele English School Jowai de lang ka khimusniang Presbyterian School Jowai wa ka HK Singh Memorial School Jowai ki wa de yo amar tangka Nakidong wan ki wale lehbha wo pynlang ye jhep ije khlia kachiliang right de yo anong Congo de lang ka song poisa wanyau tangka penbot sagat pepele ka yo awar de yo ka song poisa san kadwa ka lom kurwiang de yo wale ko chirup ka song poisa wali tangka hagani ka yalang ne liang o mantri da samule ye ki waste bin chawaro ki wahe chnong waki skur ka Jowai.
Good morning, respective judges. We are the students from Women Girls High Secondary School Jowai and currently studying in class 11. So what is waste? Waste are the materials that are no longer needed nor useful. So in our exhibition today, we try to implement waste. And we wanted to see if we could make a homemade earthquake detector purely out of waste. And alongside, we have these arts and crafts that are made from recycling materials. And our homemade earthquake detector, it includes a simple pendulum, and we have this bulb that my friend, she got it from her home, the solar panel that they don't really use anymore, she got it from there, and all these wires too. And we are trying to showcase on how we can detect earthquake by our model. And they will be showing you how we use it, and my friends will be explaining all the things that they used to make.
Like all these art and decors is homemade earthquake detector. The main idea behind this is because we try to make something from simple waste into something useful and innovative. So here we have the light bulb and the wires we're using here today are from a discarded solar panel at home. We have a solar set at home which are no longer in use, and I tried to make something. So when the pendulum here moves, if suppose there's an earthquake, the light will flicker as a trigger for the alarm of an earthquake. But this model can be modified if we use a buzzer so that it can trigger if we are not in that same floor. So waste is like something we have a proper way, we will destroy the environment. Industries must be sanitized.
That is what you have to put that. You cannot just stop it. You just have to think that you are walking here for a week. So you just have to find a balance where the environment also will not be impacted and the work also will be. The livelihood of the people also should not be small. Whenever you do something, you should have you should pick the problem and you should have an answer for that.
Use animal as when it is not of use anymore, then we just so instead of throwing away, we use it as a definition at home. Because you could just keep it and then remove this broken filament, and then we have another big aspect. Use this cloud light, tissue paper, use unused it's very like it will take many years. It's not easy. So in order to reduce the amount of waste, we can
then you are using this as a painting material. Just a painting material or anything else?
flower was and here is the paper. We can also use for filter or tissue paper.
Are you sure? Have you checked the ventilator safe? How can you say it's safe?
It's not safe, but we have to be able to
Because you are filtering the paint water. Drink it, water, absorb water. You know, you are trying to say that you are filtering water from this. And when you filter water, so you need to know that this material is safe. Because after recycling that water is meant for consumption. Right? That's why you need to make sure. Okay, good concept, but you just need to, it's very good, but it's just that